Okay, here is Lakshmi sir. Today we are going to take a class of standard 12, lesson number 4, goodwill. First of all, we think what is goodwill and what is its importance and what are the factors that affect the goodwill. Which factors are make the value of goodwill? Okay, first we come to the meaning of the goodwill. Goodwill means the name and fame of the business organization. It may be, and in another words, goodwill is the more profit earning capacity of the business which we can expected profit. Whatever we can expect the profit, the firm is going to achieve more profits. From that extra profit will be known as a goodwill. Another one, goodwill is continuously increasing profit of the company. It can also take that one, goodwill. So why it is important? Why you can value the goodwill? Valuation of goodwill is the most important because it creates the impression of our company in the market. At the time of admission of a partner, at the time of retirement of a partner, at the time of when partners are going to change their ratio, then also we require the valuation of goodwill. Okay, then now we can discuss about what are the factors that are making the value of goodwill. There are so many factors is there, but mainly there are 6 factors are we can divide it among them, and there are 6 points we are discussing here. The first one is nature of the business. What type of business you are going to be done? What type of business you are going to be start? What type of business you are carried out from a previous year to how many years it may be taken, from 2 to 3 years, 4 years. What type of the business? It's the nature of the business is the most important, which create the goodwill. If the good business is very good and legally provided, legally applicable, legally accepted business, then that have a more goodwill. Whereas the business have illegal, if we are going to be conduct a business like an illegal business, then that goodwill is very less. So the nature of the business, what type of a business you are going to be done, is the most important in the creation of in the valuation of a goodwill will be take place. And second one, location of business. At what place the business will be located? Whether it is located a very remote area, whether it is located very populated area, whether it is located in the middle of the town, whether it is located at the corner of the business, corner of the area, corner of the street, where it is located. And the location is also considered the place where our product have a more demanded area. So that also creates the more goodwill. If the location is not properly, if the location is not good, where we are going to set up our business, then the goodwill will be going to decrease and the value of goodwill will be less for us. And third one, period of business. Period of business. Period means time. Time is how much time you will be going to be do that business. If you are going to do that business only 3 months, after that you can shut down the business. Yeah, whatever it may be. If you are going to be done the business after 6 months, after that 6 months you can shut down the business. Or business will be done for 5 years, business will be done for 10 years. Yeah, whatever it may be. If your business will be carried for so many years from the past, it also creates the name and fame of the business organization. For example, if period we consider, in nearby our area, so many shops are going to open. So many kirana shops also going to open. After 1 year, after 6 months, that shop will be going to close down. Then the shop will not run so many people. Yes, So that is the one reason if you carry out the entire business for so many years from a long period, it will create a goodwill very well. If the period will be very less, then the goodwill is also will be very less. It may be so many people will not recognize our business organization if it is a very short period. Okay. Now we are coming to the fourth place, market situation. That is the comes under the demand and supply. The locality of the market where your business organization will be located is considered same. That is the locality, location also. But here market situation will be considered whether your product will be highly demanded product or less demanded product. That is the one point we consider in the market situation. And second one, that your product will be highly competitive product or less competitive product. If highly competitive product, then we have to face so many competition in the market. If our product has a high demand, I have no competition in that market, then I have a very well goodwill, I have a high level of goodwill in that market. The market situation is also played very important role in the creation of a goodwill. And fifth one, efficiency of the business. Efficiency of the business also considered, that business management also we can consider. Efficiency of the business management. That is, manager who are going to be handle the business, he must be efficient. His efficiency is like that business will be continuously in the progressing stage. Then our goodwill is also very high at that situation. If the manager is not able to control, if the manager is not able to progress, if that business, if the manager is not efficient, then that type of business organization goodwill is also very low. Yes, and another one, some special benefits is there. Special benefits are those which create the faithness in the customers. That is, for example, symbols is there, ISR marks is there, qualitative goods. For quality goods, some symbols will be given by the government, like Agmark for agriculture, ISI mark is there, etc. Marks will be given from the government authorities, which proves that the product will be very good and qualitative product. That type of products have a high demand in the market. If we have that type of certifications, marks, etc., then we have a high goodwill. If we have no such type of special benefits, then we have a less type of goodwill. Okay, now we can come to know about the method of valuation of goodwill. In the entire goodwill, if we consider, there are 10 methods for valuation of goodwill is there. So many methods we consider as a 10 methods as a goodwill for valuation. So we have to discuss in this lesson only 4 important methods along with one extra method. There is a 5 methods we are going to be discussing about the valuation of goodwill. Okay. Now come to the methods of valuation of goodwill. The first one is average profit method. Valuation of goodwill is first method. Valuation of goodwill is average profit method. What is average profit method? Average profit method is that where we can take some years profit. We have some formula like average profit is equal to sum of total of profits of certain years by number of years. That is the formula. After that we are getting average profit. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchasing year. So number of purchasing will be given in the question itself. Okay. Now we can come to the, this is by writing in a writing format.